Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Anna. And she came out for Kingston 13, and she has much to say to Kingston 13. She was saying that, she's calling her out to come and have a reason with her because she would like to say a lot of things. And she did say a lot of things. And this stems from whatever Kingston 13 had said re Anna. And when Anna asked for the donations of $50 to help to assist basically in her charity towards the homeless people. So, guys, you have to go ahead and hear what Anna has to say. And it's only for strong stomach people. So, you can go ahead and go watch. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you all that your heart desires and long life and also prosperity. And for all my other supporters, my friends, my followers, wherever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day today. And go catch a video. Guys, hit the notification bell because I'll always be posting. Have a great day.
Use it for travel back to Jamaica. Nobody no want that. Donkey are stepping at that. You understand me? Cow make Pasture in a year old. So nobody no want it again. That's why you're stuck at Curacao and can't travel gone away. And you worry about me? And where me I go? And where me not go? Nastiness. You can't stop with me because you're in my class. You're not in my class. You're not in my league. No day, no time. Or when you're dead and born back 50,000 times. Kingston 13. Sorefoot 13. You can't look like me. And you can't live like me. Hungry Voicenote, you're not choke you. That's why you have to talk behind a dark screen. You have to always be on a dark screen and talk. Because everything you talk, appear fire follow your mouth. Fire follow your mouth. A magical drop out of your voice box. You can't stop with me, dirty girl. Nastiness, you can't stop with me. And me, you come out. Kingston 13. Look for me good. You want beard. Me just look for your DP picture. And me just a sneeze so. Because your body look dusty. Your body needs to strip down, wash down, scour down, and get some grammar zone and wash down and some raw detal where they use downtown. Your body needs some of that. Yeah. You know you don't like me now. Me know you don't like me. But drunk from in 9, 10, and 11 you. And guess what? Me don't know where you eat good. Me don't know where you eat as good as like me. And I mean make you revert to one of your old and take your old to Salvation Army. Me don't know. And I mean make you not have nothing left. You revert the whole of your body at a young tender age. And I come bad man and jealous young girl like me was strive and now walk with me front there so. Me don't understand. I don't understand. Me I wonder, oh you can't take it from me, sir. Go beard. The time you take it from me, use that time there. And get one Scotch Brite, one steel wood, a buckle of raw detal, and just cover down yourself. You see all underneath your neck, yes sir? Yes sir. I saw underneath neck for look. Underneath neck for look like this. You need a Scotch Brite and a steel wood. And some raw detal and some G's. And scrub underneath your neck. Scrub it good. And properly. And then you can talk to me. Me a challenge your Kingston 13. For show me your neck like this. Just show me underneath your neck. Me just want to see underneath. Me just want to see that spot here. Yeah, me a challenge you for show me that spot here. You want beard. You want beard. You want scrub. I pay mad people see people tonight now. I pay mad people sleep with you. When nobody attract mad people and demons. Yeah.
Mama used to tell me.
I pay mad people sleep with you. You will come and talk about say. Let me tell you something. I'm not miss nothing what you say. You say me I ask big Sunday. Me I come ask for $50. For buy water and juice and box. For cook for the homeless. Yeah? And me a scammer and me a thief. And the homeless them. No need for get chicken every week. Want them to Callaloo and Pasture cheaper. Want them to look at chicken but mix up with the chicken. Girl go yam shit.
Mama used to tell.
Go yam shit. Take one piece of stick. And anything you shit, you take a piece of stick and play up and mix it up. Dish it out in your dish for your gingeration them. I want to go and feast on that. Me not buy no chicken back for the homeless them. None. Not even 1 ounce me not buy for the homeless them. Thank God they're not there Jamaica. Cause me could have Chalice and Pretty and Rex out the door right now. Would have got tied them on the table foot or the bed foot or some foot. Cause I know you don't name them. Yeah, you don't name them. You worry about the menu what me I cook for the homeless. And I go tell me. You see it? Look on what really irritate you for coming for me. The people have money what donate for cook for the homeless. It irritate you for coming for me. Like seriously, girl? People money stress you. It's a mad you. And you come and talk about say, should $50. $50 to buy juice on water and box to cook for the homeless. So you never know how much homeless you cook for in the first beginning. Why you cook for if you never have no box and if you never have no this and what happened to what name? What happened to lime? You got lime out a nasty hole. Go get some lime and salt. And see if you can cut and clear. The demons them will itch up under you. See if you can do that. Yeah. See if you can get some lime and salt. And just dash it up there. The homeless them not drink no lime and sugar. Nastiness. Them not drink no lime and no sugar. And if me don't have money, Keisha Bend, come off of my life. Ease up off my life. And me I pay my older bills, yes sir. Just ease up off my life and allow me tonight. Keisha Bent, don't make me have anything. Just ease up off my life and allow me tonight. Because guess what? Tonight me come to talk my mind and nobody can stop me. And who don't like it, all you do, don't follow me. Unfollow me. Click the unfollow button. As long as you have the key to pull my door, I can pull my door and come in. Ease up. Let go of my shirt. Lexi there better sleep. Me a big one and me run my show. No, back to the statement. That was a commercial break. Guys, sorry about that. No, back to you now. Dog back. Dog neck. Back to you now. You're out of order. Then you come and talk about say, me must bring the camera when me I go ask. When me I go ask so much for chicken, I must bring the camera when me I go ask so much for chicken so people can know how much a pound for chicken. If me I go to Master Joe, me supposed to bring the camera. Oh, Master Joe, how much a pound? How much a pound for chicken? Okay, give me 40 pound. Give me 50 pound. Okay, so 50 pound is so and so and so. Y'all go, come bite me. Come bite me when I want beard. Because we can't make you do it when I beard. We have to make sure say you do it when I'm in a beard. So me can go beard off after. Me not carry no camera go nowhere. And that's your problem. Who are donate to me don't have no problem with me. They see and they know what I am doing. Why you so concerned and have a problem with the people and money? Tell me that. Tell me I wait. Why you so concerned about the people and money? Eh? Why you so concerned? Shit pit 13. Miss Licky back. Why you so concerned, big boy? Big boy, why you so concerned about the people and money? Eh? You too concerned about the people and money. And then you come and talk about say, me complain. Scammer Anna, she complain about everything. Everything she complain about. One time she complain about water in her tank. She complain about the our dog them. She complain about her cat them. A jealous bitch. A jealous. Eh? Me have something else to complain about too. Me have something else to complain about. Wait till tomorrow. Wait till tomorrow. Come here, have something else to complain about. Big boy. I have something else to complain about tomorrow. I'm tired of uno germs. I'm tired of uno. Every day uno get up on me. I'm tired of uno. And when I answer you tonight, dirty Kingston 13, when I answer you tonight, big boy, nobody thinks that I come answer you tomorrow, drunk crow. Tomorrow when I come, I'm going to probably want some money. For go have dinner. Some probably I go come out tomorrow for come bake money for go have dinner. No time for you germs. Come in and go hungry like you. I mean I go walk with my pum up here so like you. You know how to do that. You sell out to whole of Jamaica. Till you reach a Curacao. You stop the sucker, I do so everything done. Every calamity rub out the so. Till your fear done. Your way of transport, finish. You can't move. You're stuck. You need some new curtain. You need to put up, you need what you need to do? You need to come by your life and you need to ask for help to get some curtain and some sheet. And you see sheet and when you catch up in at the top of the roof, in your piece of hut where you live in, you need to take them down, cobweb down the place and call pest control. And make them pest control. Make them clean up the whole place. Your surrounding one clean up. And then come alive and beg some money to pay the pest control people them land crab. Land crab. Big boy. You need to come alive. Stop come alive, come fast with me. Come in fast with you. Me not see you. You don't like me, I'm a worse and I like your germs. Me not like you. Cause me know you not like me long time. Cause you're bad mind. Cause you can't live like me, you can't look like me. And none of your generation them can't live like me. All shit up. Shit up. Yeah, you can't live like me. Remember before you left, hey girl. Remember saying no, hold on then. Me have to wet my throat for get it or whatever. Hold on. Cause you go like a senile, you know. You go like a senile and you look like your last memory. So we are going to go down in it and go back down to memory lane. We, big boy, we are go back down to memory lane. Cause you look like your last reason. You look like your last reason, you know. You look like your last reason. Remember, you know. Remember, say, before you left Jamaica, what is? Remember, before you left Jamaica, remember say, you know, you not have no time for you know. Remember say you throat back drop out before you left Jamaica, you know. Yeah, that's why your voice sound so, you know. Your voice sound like a down in one bottomless pit, you know. Remember, you know? Yeah, man. Remember your voice sound, and that's why you explain to the people them why your voice sound so. Your voice sound like when you take one big stone and throw down in one bottomless pit. You just continue to rock and not have no bottom. Remember, your tonsil rub out. You can't chat to me. No old curb it. No old curb it or raw tonsil rub out can't chat to me. You not have no throat back. So you can't chat to me. You need to go tell the people them why your tonsil rub out. Then you can come talk to me. You need to go tell the people them why you can't. Me tell you in the phone days, you just fuck out the whole of phone sense in the phone days. And when you find young girl like me now, who wall up my head, I mean I walk and make my pum pum give me problem. Yeah? When you go on like you don't want to come stop with young girl like me. When I trouble all crab. Yeah man, all crabbies. Yeah. You talk about, oh, you beg too much. You beg too much. Every day you want to beg. Listen to me, guys. Guys, right now, more some money bad I'm just putting in my old truck out the door. Remember, guys, me start steal up upstairs. Remember, me sell my luxury vehicle. I buy one piece of old truck because I wanted the extra money from the vehicle to start upstairs. So right now, the steel man come and start steel up upstairs. I mean broke. Steel work is very expensive. It's $100,000 a ton for steel. Me I beg you no look money to put local gas in my truck tomorrow. You understand? Because old truck is burn gas. Me have a look old truck out the door. Because I sell my luxury vehicle. Because I want to start up my upstairs. So me I use the money to put in for the upstairs. So me can have a bigger space. Because I'm big. You understand? So me need a big space broad out. Yes, my love. So, me I beg you no look money. Anybody can buy me look gas. For put in my truck out the door. Me I beg look gas put in there. Because me not have no front for sell. Me not have no body for sell. I'm not part of the whole part me can sell. I have to save my tonsil for when me meet my husband. Me have to save it. Me can rev it out and rub it out. Like Kingston 13. Kingston 13. Thank you so much, Paul. I'm begging you some stars. Yeah. Thank you very much for the stars, Paula girl. Begging you some more stars then. Oh, I'm more AC, lad, man. Me I tell you, guys, the electrician come put in the, come start out. When we start out today, I tell you no. Trouble. I can't wait to go in my bedroom. If I go lay down underneath my nice fan. What Juan buy me. Yeah. Juan buy me. One nice fan me have around there. String up with chandelier on it. Yeah. I want a fool no man. Pay the $37,000 to clear it. Me a beat you no hard. Me a gonna run for no money. Me no more my AC. No more the AC for upstairs. More the AC for upstairs. Cause up there the master bedroom I go there. The master bedroom I go upstairs, so I want the AC up there. Me beg too much? And me have son for? What on there? Let me say something else. You Kingston 13? Me I got Jagono. Come in nice clean supporters them, guess what? Me have a look store if I don't know. Come look closer. Come look closer. Me tell you say no, no, silent. Come look closer. My supporters. When me come off of the live, me I go buy one ticket. Somebody I buy me one ticket. We go spend 5 days up on one small island. Yes, my love. So me I beg you no want look money for makeup, for my pocket money, cause you don't know so me is a widow. And me I go want look something for buy for back for me and Lexi. And me paying up mother. It better me beg them me go sell out my front and me and rub out my tonsil. Me own the same thing. Somebody is buying me a ticket to take a trip. My suitcase half pack already. Since night in my pocket. Somebody buy me a ticket to take a trip. Yes, my love. So my nice clean supporters wanna come up to the front. Me a beg on our money to put together for my shopping money next week. Next week. You don't have to worry yourself about it this week. Next week, me I be going to the money. Next week. Me not have time for no. Me not have time for no. Me not have time for me tell them say, we not have no unjust close by, we not have no pressure pill close by. Me I beg look of money for me traveling money for next week. Since I have a problem with me, broadback, crabback, yeah, land crab, big boy, since I have a problem with me, bitch, Anna is going out. Anna is going out. And me I beg her money for me. Look here. Look here. You can't let me down. Yeah. You can't let me I beg her money. Kingston 13, I got dead for hungry. Me can't hungry. Me can't. I'm too blessed to be stressed. Me can't hungry. And that's a beat on the out here. Because guess what? I was just mentioning that somebody needs to buy me a ticket. I need to go somewhere. The ticket valued $800.